Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to actually activate two factors in your Discord. First of all guys, I will need you to do two things. First one is go ahead to your phones and install Google Authenticator. And the second thing which is opening Discord. Now let's go to our user settings in Discord and then go in this my account settings, go all the way down to enable two-factor authentication. And here you must put your password. So here we go. And click on continue. After that, you must open that application. You can use either Authy or Google Authenticator. So you can use whatever you'd like from these. And now all I'm going to do is scan the code using that. So here it is. And now I will receive the code or the password in my phone. So I'm going to just type it over here real quick. So here is my password. And here I am. Now what I'm going to do is enable SMS authentication or download backup codes. So let's add a phone number, which is my phone number basically. So I'm going here, Morocco, and all I'm going to do here is just add my phone number. So let me just add it. Here we go. I guess this is my phone. So let me just put it real quick. Here we go. So I will pause the recording, guys, and put my information there. I will right back to you. So here I am guys. Now all I need to do is receive the SMS. So let me just check if I had any SMS in my account. And if you had received that SMS, you just have to put it in these three mm, stuff in here. And just like so, you will be ready to go. So let me just click here, resend code, and apparently it is not working for me. And anyone, I don't really want to activate the two factors in my account. So that's it guys, that's how you can actually make the two-factor authentication enabled in your Discord account. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.